these are ways to improve your work-life balance. Number one, accept there is no work-life balance. When you hear work-life balance, you probably imagine having an extremely productive day at work and leaving early to spend the other half of the day with friends and family. While this may seem ideal, it is not always possible. Number two, find a job that you love. Although work is an expected societal norm, your career shouldn't be restraining. If you hate what you do, you aren't going to be happy, plain and simple. You don't need to love every aspect of your job, but it needs to be exciting enough that you don't dread getting out of bed every morning. Number three, prioritize your health. Your overall physical, emotional, and mental health should be your main concern. Number four, don't be afraid to unplug. Cutting ties with the outside world from time to time allows us to recover from weekly stress and gives us space for other thoughts and ideas to emerge. Number five, take a vacation. Sometimes truly unplugging means taking vacation time and shutting work completely off for a while. And number six, make time for yourself and your loved ones. While your job is important, it shouldn't be your entire life. Number seven, set boundaries and work hours. This is back to my answer with time management, right? Set boundaries for yourself and your colleagues to avoid burnout. Number eight, set goals and priorities and stick to them. Set achievable goals by implementing time management strategies, analyzing your to-do list, and cutting tasks that have little to no value.